Alright, now we're going to talk about hitting an iron. Now this is a 5 iron, and the 5 iron's loft is a little bit less. It's going to be somewhere around probably 23 to 25 degrees, and a 5 iron is probably going to go around 160 if you can hit a good 5 iron. Now with the 5 iron, you'll see that the club face here is relatively flat. It's not back like this, and it's not straight, but it's getting just enough. And when you come and hit the ball, you want to have a sweeping motion and come straight through. You know, some people like to take a divot, and that's just going to decrease some of the distance you get on it. I like to do a nice sweeping motion and try to pick the ball as clean as possible. Now when you're swinging an iron here, you get your hands lined up, and I like to play it on the front half of my body. Some people like to play it on the back to get underneath more. So when you're playing it here, you get your grip and you swing. Now when you swing, you want to have your hands and hips the same. You want to make sure they're coming through so that when you hit, the ball's going to go straight. If your hands are ahead of the hips, you're going to come like this, and the ball's going to come through. If your hips are ahead and your hands are behind, you're going to hit it, and it's going to have a slice to the right. So a good swing typically looks like this. You'll get lined up, keep your head on the ball, you come back with your back swing, come through. Do it one more time. Now these are new clubs that I just recently got, so I changed. I used to have a 5 hybrid, which looks like a driver but smaller. My new set goes 4 through pitching wedge, and then I have 2 wedges, and I will have one here. Now this wedge is a 58 degree with a 6 bounce, and what that means is it's going to be very sensitive off the touch, and you're going to have better distance than you would if it was a higher bounce. Now the 58 is the loft. You can see here how much steeper of an angle it is than it was if it was here. Now when you swing this, you really want to make sure you're getting under the ball. You really don't want to take a divot if you can. You're coming through just like that. Nice sweeping motion. This has a dual kind of bottom here, so that if you turn the club like this, you're still going to come through flat, and if you turn it like that, you're still going to come through flat and make a crisp contact with the ball.